In this video, we're going to be replacing the radiator cap cover on this 2008 Acura MDX. Alright, to access your radiator cap, it's going to be underneath this little cover here. Push back on these tabs, lift up, rotate that out of the way. Here's your radiator cap. Here's the radiator cap cover. Slide straight on, push straight down. There'll be two little locking tabs on the inside of the cover. Just make sure clipped all the way into position on both sides. And you can go ahead and take your radiator cap cover panel, put it back in place, push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.